the hell was that?
Alright guys, we're leaving the lake. We are heading up to the same gas station we just left. John's going to grab a couple beers there because the price is so good. He's going to get a couple of those 25 ounces. We're going to bang it on to a place called Desert Inn, man. Historical landmark. Semi drove into it, destroyed that a few years back. But good place to stop, have a beer, yuck it up with the boys, and then we'll see where it takes us from there. Having a good time so far, man. I hope you're enjoying the video. Woo, boys are in a big hurry now for some reason. Man, we're just cruising speeds 90 right now. Well, it's gonna make for a short ride, isn't it? Steady 105. Boys are getting a little cray-cray up here. Yeah, the old Desert Inn here. What used to be. Little motel here alongside of it. It's also shut down.
Okay.
I had the bar that went around. I got a call there one time in the daytime when I was a cop, you know, and you can't fucking see when you come inside from outside.
Yeah, you're snowblind, yeah.
And I'm talking to the bartender. She wanted me to throw this guy out. I'm standing there, and all of a sudden my legs keep moving. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I couldn't see because my, you know.
Yeah.
The fucking floor's moving. My leg was on one half.
You're like, whoa!
What the fuck? That's what she told me. Oh, it's a rotating bar. Oh, okay.
Yeah, right. No wonder the guy's falling down
I
here.
went there, set my drink down, went and danced. The girl came back and said, where's my fucking drink?
Yeah, the girl's gone, your drink's gone?
Yeah, it's like, oh, you need to throw that guy out. Well, I'll wait till he gets around.
Yeah. Let's wait one revolution.
Joseph the stuntman. Fly, John boy, fly! As a tank slapper starts. Can't say these guys aren't characters, my friends. Joseph losing his mind up here. That boy's had one too many Heinekens. I do love riding with these boys, I gotta tell you. A lot of fun. Except for Joseph's ass. I can do without that. Let's see if we can get all the boys to do a speed run here when we jump on 512 up here. We follow Warren, it's pretty much a speed run the whole trip. That boy likes riding fast. I mean, faster than the Three Amigos. This is crazy. Let's see what the boys do. We're turn on to 512 here. Warren's going. Joseph's going. I'm not going. I gotta jump in the old boat ramp here, have our last beer, and then we're all gonna head home from there. Had a good time today, man. Good ride as usual. Good company. The boys are funny as usual. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's always a good time with these clowns.
Hey, got a kiss for you.
I love your asshole.
That was for you, Joseph. That's for John.
That's why I don't like riding with you guys, because I don't have any fucking fun.
That's why you're always in front of me. He pulled his whole ass is hanging out. It's hilarious.
I pulled, like, open my zip. I tried to pull my pants down with one hand and
On the
go.
bike?
Yeah, just now.
You spooked the shit out of me. I was like in a zone, just listening to music. All of a sudden, you went down and you went by on one leg, like yeah, right by me. I was like, whoa.
Okay.
What the fuck's he doing? Together.
So did you get a good picture?
I hope.
Okay.
I don't think there was a bad picture of that.
Okay.
That's gonna be on.
I was laughing my ass
in
off.
Austria wants to meet you. Goes, listen. I thought I wanted to meet Joseph, but I'm good.
Yeah. Apologize to your fellow Austrian right now in your dialect, you derelict.
No, not this one. The next one coming is Dan's. Watch her.
I thought about getting
No, wait. No, this one.
Notre Dame. She's
No,
from
this
Notre
is
Dame.
Dan's right here. Look at
Oh,
that.
that's hot.
Hunchback and skinny
from Notre
legs. Look at
Dame.
that.
Yeah, I'm from Notre Dame.
Dan's.
She really turned.
Fucking pencil legs.
Matches mine. We're made for each other.
Can you imagine?
You know what's nice with the pencil legs? When you're done fucking eating it, you snap the leg off, pick your teeth.
It's not funny.
That was so funny.
Snap it off.
Pick your teeth.
At the gas station where we bought the food, I saw all of a sudden this beautiful blonde
I love
hair,
it.
right? Until she turned around. Did you see her? The little
The guy?
blonde.
The guy?
No, there was a blonde chick in
It was
there.
Vince Neil
You
from
didn't
Motley
see
Crue.
that? And she was like beautiful blonde, and I saw just a blonde over the counter, and she turned around and it's like,
Joseph turned to stone.
oh my God, she was so old and ugly. But she had beautiful blonde hair. 10,
Beer belly.
and then you drive up. What?
What?
All right, guys. Leaving the old boat ramp and heading up to a bar in Fellsmere, Florida here. John said he's buying. If John's buying, I'm drinking. Why the hell not? So that's our next stop. Alright guys, we're going to swing it in Willie's bar here. John's going to buy us one last round. We're going to head home after that. But had an awesome time, man. Glad you all could ride along. Alright guys, leaving Willie's. Bar and Grill, Fellsmere, Florida. Had a couple beers there. It was 2 for 1. A couple shots. So y'all hang in there, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ow!